I'm made of rock, have a strange atmosphere. My orbit is not very clear. They fired me, saying I'm not major, but neither sneer. I'm Pluto, I'm major, though I'm small, in my mind I am big. We share my only company, far out here in this galaxy we share. Have you ever felt lonely like me? Does your skin have little marks that are funny? Do they ever forget about you? Leave you in your room with just one room? Were you ever too short to run on a roller coaster? Me too, I'm Pluto, I'm major, though I'm small, in my mind I am big. Don't forget me, or shall